Sevda is 16 years old. She lives in a small town. Sevda is learning how to drive. Sevda's dad is giving her lessons. Sevda's dad's name is Howard. Sevda has had 3 lessons. Sevda and her dad argued during the lessons. Sevda's mom is giving her driving lessons. Sevda's mom's name is Aner. Aner has given Sevda a lesson. Aner has decided to stop giving Sevda lessons. Aner and Sevda argued during the lessons too. Sevda's parents call a driving school. Sevda is going to get lessons from a professional. The classes cost 300 manats for 10 lessons. The lessons are very good. Sevda learns how to drive. Sevda gets her license.